Right, I'm going to see what I can do. Clear all this here. And then hopefully put like a little hedge like this over there. So this is the result. I got that one now and that one now. And now you can actually walk into it. And again, this is how thin I want it. So you can just like, I still got to do all this obviously, but so you can just safely walk through it. So yeah, lovely. I know that in the summer as well, these like little hedge fences that I've done are going to get nice and thick, full of like, well, all grow really.